Hey guys, welcome to Manoeuvre Education. This is Aditi Ray and today we shall talk about everything that you ever wanted to know about NIMCETs. So NIMCET is basically a national level entrance examination that is conducted every year by the NIT itself. The admission is given on the basis of merit for MCA programs across all the NITs located all over India. Also, the NIT scores are used by many other institutes and universities for their admission process to their own MCA programs. So therefore, this examination NIMCET becomes extremely important. Now let us see more about this examination. So firstly, let us talk about the eligibility criteria. The eligibility is that firstly, of course, you need to be an Indian. Secondly, they check your academic qualification. You need to be holding a degree in BSc or BSc Honours, BCA, BIT of minimum 3 years with maths or statistics, or you need to be a BE or BTech. Now students who have studied BSc or BSc Honours, BCA or BIT of 3 years from the open universities, this is for you, they are also recognized as eligible. So even if you have done your BSc, BSc Honours or BCA or BIT from any open university like IGNOU or something like that, you are also eligible for writing the NIMCET examination. Now what is the passing percentage that they look for? So if you happen to be from the general or the OBC category, your passing percentage in your graduation should be 60% marks in aggregate or 6.5 CGPA on a 10-point scale. If you happen to be from the SC/ST category, your eligibility of passing percentage should be minimum 55% marks or 6.0 CGPA on a 10-point scale. Now this is a very important for the students who have not yet graduated, for the students who have not yet completed their graduation degree, the final year students, you too can apply for this examination. For that, you have to furnish a certificate issued by the head of your institute from where the candidate has studied. So it is important. Please keep this in mind. You have to furnish a certificate from the head of your institution. Moving ahead, let us look at the paper pattern. So the paper consists of 4 sections. So the first section is mathematics for 50 questions, which will be for 200 marks. The second section is analytical ability and logical reasoning for 40 questions, which will be for 160 marks. Third section will be on computer awareness. You will be given 10 questions for 40 marks. And lastly, there will be a general English section as well, and we will have 20 questions there for 80 marks. So basically in total you will have 120 questions, which will be for 480 marks. Now as you can see from here, all the questions are multiplied by 4. That means each question will be for 4 marks. But you have to keep in mind that there is going to be negative marking as well. Yes, there is negative marking. That is, for every correct question you will be allotted plus 4 marks, and for every wrong question that you attempt, there will be minus 1 mark. So there is a negative marking of 1/4. The mode of application for filling up the application process is going to be online. You can fill the application online only, and the examination is going to be an offline examination. The examination is going to happen somewhere in the end of May. So this is the ideal time to start your preparation for that. Having said this, let us look at the 11 participating NITs, right? So this is the list of all the 11 participating NITs that will be part of this examination. NIT Agartala, NIT Allahabad, NIT Bhopal, NIT Calicut, Durgapur, Jamshedpur, Kurukshetra, Raipur, Suratkal, Tiruchipalli and Warangal. So you can apply for all these colleges by appearing for the examination NIM. Having said that, this is the right time to start your preparation. You can join us for our classroom as well as for our online classes. For students who are planning to appear this year itself in 2019, you can join us for our crash course. And for students who are preparing for the next year, especially the students who are still in their 3rd year, This is the right time to start for your preparation for the next year as well. You can join us for the classroom course at Borivali. You can contact us at this number 907-6424-208. You can also join us for our classroom course at DADAR at 730-43-66682. Or you can also join us for our online classes, and you can contact our online team at this number 8828581455. You can also visit us at our website, that is manoeuvreedu.com. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel below. You can also share this video with your friends and family on Facebook and on WhatsApp. All the best for your upcoming examination. Thank you.